be a hotness pan the Ras list. She say push back, cause she got this.
Yo, Anthony B knows that this is a fucking hit song. Anthony B knows that him come dig off piece I Riddim, one big piece though. Anthony know. The Riddim bad enough. The Riddim bad. But look at this, I go lead the Riddim, brother. Let's speak it as it is. This I go lead the fucking Riddim, bro. Anthony B.
I be a hotness pan the Ras list. She say push back, cause she got this. Flexibly, she make me back twist. She a wine like her every day she practice.
Even though the Ras back twist, him still not bumbleclat. Him still not ease up. Push fire, Ras, push fire.
Flexibly, she make me back twist. She a wine like her every day she practice. She say me a the first man ever match this. So me make she scream out like a actress. Box her Rubbaz, she no want no flowers. She want feel up the Rasta Powers. Mash it up, send it to Dr. Howard. She still want be one of the Rasta lovers.
Alright,
box her Rubbaz, she no want no flowers.
Bumbleclat. Oh yeah. Anthony B tying back the two song them, bro. What a fucking legend. What a legend.